Hello, you're welcome to Kids Tech Academy. In this tutorial, we'll be designing Alex from a trending game known as Minecraft game using Tinkercad software. You can go ahead to search Tinkercad on Google. Then, if it's your first time, you'll need to sign with your email and password. You can check out our introduction on Tinkercad video to learn more about the app. So there you go. That's Alex on the work plane, and with the use of the cube, which when rotated shows you all the sides of your design. I'm so sure you'll find this interesting. Tinkercad is a platform for 3D designs. Please like and subscribe to this channel so you could get more notifications of other videos and tutorials. You start on your work plane. Don't forget to write the name Alex at the space on the taskbar. Bring in a cube from the basic shape area. Click on solid to change the color of the cube. This cube will serve as the head of Alex, and we want to give it a human color, so we change it to this color. Bring in another cube. This particular cube will serve as the eyes for Alex. So on the color palette, we change it to white. We duplicate it by going to the duplicate area, which is right on your left upper hand side. You will see it on our video. Click duplicate, come back and change duplicated cube to green, to color green, which will serve as the inner part of the eye. Then adjust the size of the shape and the colors to make it look like the eyes of Alice. Having done that, we're going to fit in the eye to the head of Alex. Make sure it fits in well. Duplicate the eyes and move to the other side. Alex, of course, have two eyes. You can have a clearer view by clicking on the fit in all view. Make sure you watch the introduction video to have a good grasp on the user's interface. Now we're going to lift the head up by clicking on a red dot right on top and moving it upwards to allow space for the rest part of the body. And quickly we bring in another cube which we're going to work on to create the body for Alex. If you're following to this extent, that shows you like our program. Please subscribe and click on like. There you go. We have Alex with a body and arms using the same procedure. What's next? We have to create the pants for Alex and the legs. Let's design the legs by duplicating the arm, then elongating it. Move ahead to change the color to brown by clicking on solid where you have the colors displayed. Having found one leg, the next we'll go ahead to duplicate. I hope you can see the cursor. I'm bringing in the third one. This should form the pants. I'm going to reduce it. And place it on top the legs. Slide it in. And there you go. But something is still missing. Let's design a shoe or foot for Alex. Go ahead to click on another cube, or you could still make use of the arm by duplicating it. And now you can try out the next stage by yourself to see if you understand the process. Reduce the shape by clicking on the red button, then on the white dots and dragging it downwards until you get your desired height. depending on the size of shoe you want. You could also elongate it. Of course, change the color to black. There you go. You have Alex from Minecraft game. I hope you enjoyed designing with us. Please do subscribe to this channel so you could keep getting notifications of our videos. Thanks so much and remain blessed.